It is my weekend and I'm so excited. It's been such a crazy and busy week and I just am looking forward to 2 days of relaxing and doing things that make me happy. I decided to bring you along with me today because I'm going to be hanging out with my friend and neighbor and we're gonna go thrifting. After that, we're gonna come back here and we're gonna distress a few pieces, which I'm really excited about. I have a few things picked out for that. That's pretty much it, but I thought I would bring you guys along and let's just get this party started. So we've been here for a little over, I think 30 minutes, and I already have a cart full of goodies. Dresses, hats, bags, jeans, have it all. I'm still looking through the jeans, so we'll see if we can find anything to distress. I'm really looking for like more light wash. That's I prefer just because it's summer. I'm gonna keep things light and cool. Something like these guys, that's what I'm looking for, but more so like the quality of Levi's, really thick, and something that's going to distress well. But these are really cool, Levi's. The cool thing about these two is that the person before created a hemline here in the back, so we can definitely do some interesting things in terms of the hem here and distressing that a little bit. So my friend Seth and I were inspired to bleach and distress our jeans after seeing a step-by-step tutorial that blogger and influencer Drew Scott posted a few years back. This video, however, is not a step-by-step tutorial, so if you would like to try this DIY yourself, just head over to Drew's YouTube channel, which I have linked in the description below. It is about to go down. Prepare.
Hair. Risky. It's staying perfectly. Ready?
Mm-hmm. I feel like I pretty much just watched you do this. Haha, I tricked you into doing this for me.
I'm doing it.
And so how long is it supposed to soak in that for?
It deactivates the bleach immediately.
Okay, good.
So let it soak.
Okay.
Just a minute. You can take off the. Let me go there. You
See, mine go through. But that's okay because we're cutting that part.
Yeah.
Anyway. But now we know for other, future ones that I kind of like that. That's everything.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's dope.
Yours looks so good. That looks so good. The back looks awesome. Look at the back.
Let's see.
Yes.
A little square butt.
I know, square butt. Let me go get detergent, I'll be right back. Cool. Should we wash our warm or cold?
No.
Do you think warm would
Maybe warm so it kind of
expands it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. The same thing.
Okay.
Dun dun.
Woo!
That's perfect.
That's cool.
This project was really fun for me because it had been so long since I'd done any DIY, and it was a lot of fun just hanging out with a friend and getting to know them a little bit better. This project was super simple, but it did require a full day's time to complete, and that's partially because we spent more time than needed at the thrift store. But I highly recommend giving it a go if you're looking for something fun to do over the weekend, either with friends or by yourself. But perhaps the coolest thing about this project is that I now have an original pair of DIY denim to strut my stuff in all summer long. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon!